They had a clear connection to giving back. And just the way they had about them made me say, I have to work with these guys. They're genuine.
Yeah, we like to say that we are different, and we truly are. I mean, I don't know any other dealership that is as involved as we are in giving back to the community and just supporting the community that we're a part of.
It's not about selling cars, it's not about just trying to sell them anything. It's really just about them, and we reassure them and let them know that these events are for them. It's about giving back.
Hello Auto Group sponsors a shopping event each year where over 200 students shop for new school clothes and leave the stores with big smiles. Assistance League is very appreciative of Hello Auto Group's support of this program.
I love talking about the impact that Hello Auto has had on this whole community, specifically the students that are in our purview, the nearly 22,000 students of the Heart District here in the Santa Clarita Valley. It's been amazing.
And I've had women come up to me in tears, how this event meant so much to them, being able to talk to other women that are going through the same similar journey and give each other advice, just to build that military community together.
I just love to see the smile on everybody's face, to be able to help. It's just so fulfilling, and it makes you feel so good at the end of it. Like, you're like, yeah, I did that. When we planted trees in the forest, it was just so nice to see all of the nature and just really be able to take it in and appreciate the things that you don't really think about.
We gave these cancer patients a day to just feel pampered, and it was just really cool to see these women laugh and smile and just be able to hang out with these other women that share the same story together. And they were able to forget that they're a cancer patient. One of the women actually come to me in tears, thank you for this event. It truly means a lot, especially everything that they're going through. And it's just awesome to be able to know that there's people out there that really care about them.
And sometimes it's nice to have customers just swing by and say, like, how do I help? How can I get involved? Like, can I also volunteer with you guys as your customers? So it's really nice to see the customers interact with our giving back to the community as well.
I think what motivates me is seeing the faces on these people, just knowing that these events are truly making an impact in their lives.